Hi everyone. Today we have very interesting question which was asked in USA grade 8 exam. We have been given this diagram ABC triangle and we are asked to find the value of x. So these are the few things that has been given already, the value of certain sides and which all sides they are equivalent. So let us go ahead and work on this finding the value of x. Let us start with the method first. We are going to focus on the triangle PBQ. So in this triangle PBQ, we know that PB is equals to PQ. Let me write it here. PB is equals to PQ. PQ value is x units. So automatically PB would also be x. Now let us assume the angle PBQ is alpha. That means the angle PQB would also be alpha. So clearly we know that the angle here it should be alpha plus alpha, summation of these two. Now let us focus on the triangle APQ. We are going to join the line AQ. Now in this particular triangle it is already given that PQ would be x and PQ is equals to AP. Because of that, this value would also be x. From this particular triangle, we have already come up with the angle at the P holes. That would be x and alpha plus alpha would be 2 alpha. Now assume that this angle is beta. Based on these equivalent values, we know that this angle would also be beta. We know that the summation of all these three angles should be 180 degree. That is beta plus 2 alpha is equals to 180 degree. Now 2 beta plus 2 alpha is equals to 180. Therefore beta value would be 90 degree minus alpha. Considering the point Q, here we know that this value is alpha. This value it has come up with beta, which is nothing but 90 degree minus alpha. So basically at this point it should be the summation of all these three should be 180 degree. That's why 180 degree minus alpha minus 90 degree minus alpha, which is equals to 180 degree minus alpha minus 90 degree plus alpha. Alpha gets cancelled out and the angle has come up with 90 degree. Therefore this angle is right angle. Now that we know that at angle Q it is a 90 degree, so in the triangle ACQ, based on the Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle AQ square, it should be AC square minus CQ square. It would be 30 square minus 18 square. We can take 6 square in common. 5 square minus 3 square, which would be 36 into 25 minus 9. It would be 36 36 into 16. Therefore, AQ would be 6 into 4, which is 24. Now focusing on the triangle ABQ, we have found out the value of AQ would be 24. We already know that BQ is 7, and here we have the PQ as x. That's why this is also x, this is also x. That means AB square, based on the Pythagorean theorem, once again AB square would be AQ square plus BQ square. We know that AB is 2x square, AQ is 24 square plus 7 square, which is equals to 576 plus 49. So 4x square is equals to 625. X would be 625 divided by 4 in square root. So it would be 25 divided by 2, which is nothing but 12.5. So the value of x is 12.5. In the method 2, we are going to draw a circle considering the point P as the center of the circle, and AP, PB and AQ, they will be radius of the circle. So here automatically AB would be the diameter of the circle. So we already know that any diameter making a contact with the circle, that automatically creates a right angle of that triangle. So here at point P, angle AQB would be 90 degree. So considering the Pythagoras theorem, AQ is 24, BQ is 7, hence AB square is equals to 7 square plus 24 square. AB is 2x square bracket 49 plus 576 which would be 625. 4x square is 625. X is equals to square root of 625 divided by 4, which is nothing but 25 divided by 2, which is equals to 12.5. The value of x is 12.5. So these are the two methods that we have identified the value of x. Thanks for watching till the end. Let me know how did you find this video, and please subscribe to stay tuned. Happy learning.